If you're struggling to open wholesale accounts for your Amazon FBA business in the UK, today I'm interviewing someone who's going to be sharing their top 5 suppliers with you live on this call. Stay tuned. Okay, today I'm joined by Eamon McCaffrey, and he has been doing wholesale for a number of years. Now, I don't want to talk too long about this. I want to jump into learning about the wholesalers. Eamon, thank you so much for joining. Take it away. Tell us about the top wholesalers in the UK that are working for you right now.
Thomas, thank you very much. Yes, I have been doing wholesale in the UK full time for 6 years. And in that time, I've come across a ream of different wholesalers. And a lot of time people ask me, what's the best one? What's the perfect one? They don't exist. It is what works for your criteria, what works for you at this time. There is wholesalers that I started with that I no longer use because of how I've changed my business. There is wholesalers that I aspire to work with, but right now they don't work for me. But what I've done is I've picked 5 wholesalers who I think, hey, these are good people that you should go and start with for specific reasons, and they will really help you out. Each one of them are people that I currently have an active account with and regularly still order from. They're not ones that I've just Googled. These are people that I genuinely have accounts with and still buy products from on a regular basis. Let's jump right in. Before that, if you're sitting going, hey, I want to get started, I want more than 5, down below this video, I'll be dropping a list of 100 other wholesalers in the UK that you can download and contact yourself and try and build out stocks for your business. Stay tuned. First wholesaler is one that's very dear to me. They are the wholesaler who I placed my very first wholesale order with. Massive in the northeast of England. They do a lot of household and paper items, and Amazon sells a lot of these products as well. So there's brilliant products out there. We still order from them today. Their minimum order value is £1,000, but you do need to be VAT registered. If you aren't VAT registered, no worries. They have a partner company that they will work with who not only will supply you, but will also do your prep for you, which is fantastic as a new seller just dipping their toe into the wholesale model. The name of the wholesaler is Regal Wholesaler. If you're trying to get an account with them, drop my name. I still order from them regularly. They are brilliant people to work with, and they will keep you right. Number 2 on my list is a massive cosmetics wholesaler, doing on average about 120 million a year plus. They've got a fantastic core range of products, but their key element is the fact that they're always buying end of line and big parcels direct from top name brands, which means every week they have special offers on the best cosmetics in the country at fantastic prices, which is why I love them. Products are always changing, supply doesn't saturate, and they are brilliant to deal with. Now, requirements to open an account with them is £1,500 minimum spend, and you do have to be VAT registered. That adds another level of complexity and weeds out a little bit of the other competition of smaller sellers who cannot meet those requirements. Their name is Price Check, and the proof is in the pudding. I had 8 pallets of stock arrive from them this morning. I am still ordering on a weekly basis from them. Tom, before we move on to point 3, I want to tell you about our 5th wholesaler. The reason why I love them is the margins on them are good, but the sales velocity is epic. We're talking hundreds to literally thousands of sales per month. Don't forget, down below, top 100 list is available for download now. Number 3 on my list is the health and household category item, which means they're in the fast-moving consumer goods category. You get a lot of replenishable, fast-moving items. So once you find products to sell, you can replenish them over and over again, which is why I love them. These guys, the items on them don't ever seem to tank. They sell well. They're great to deal with. Been ordering from them years. They're based in Lancashire. Minimum order is £2,000. They've never mentioned to me about needing to be VAT registered, so I'm not too sure. Check that one out. And their name is Clear Value Trading, but I just call them CVT. Number 4 on my list is someone a bit different. They are a lot smaller. The benefits that are you can get fantastic pricing and that personal touch. Let me explain more. So with some of the bigger commercial wholesalers, you find that you spend a lot of time dealing with either impersonal websites or in email chains back and forth trying to clarify an order. This one, number 4, they are a small independent wholesaler that deal in small parcels of products, which means the items are always changing. They do not tank. Small company run by a guy called Nathan, and it means if you have an issue, you can literally lift the phone his mobile, speak through the order, and he will get it done there and then. Sometimes there's not much movement on the price, but it's fantastic customer service, and as long as you're paying pro forma, VAT registered and order quantities are not the biggest deal in the world. Their name is Wholesale, not to be confused with Wholesale, so that is WHOLESAVE. Number 5 on the list is a large wholesaler. Minimum order is £5,000. They usually require minimum order of a pallet or a pallet layer, but they will drop down to as little as 5 cases for core lines. One of the best things I really love about this supplier is they will go and source products for you. If you say, hey, I want to get product X, they will go and find it for you through their network of their suppliers or direct from the brand. If you're going down that road, they will expect you to be placing an order to make it worth their while. Bear that in mind. With them ordering that in, you should also bear in mind that there may be supply times, the minimum order being £5,000. Make sure you can afford to cash flow that. If you can, Cyan Wholesale are the person to speak to. Tom, that's my top 5 wholesalers who I'm currently recommending. Don't forget, a link below will get you my top 100 that you can download and contact at your leisure.
Fantastic. Eamon, thank you so much for sharing that. I appreciate, obviously, for yourself, obviously, you've been selling on Amazon in the UK and also Europe as well for a long time. But before we finish up, just tell us a little bit about yourself and what do you do? And obviously, I know iGen Entrepreneur, you do a lot of work with them. Tell us a little bit about who they are.
So I've been selling on Amazon now over 8 years. Started out with RA running around Tesco's. Now I do all wholesale from UK and Europe. So again, buying from the likes of Cyan, a price check, selling it in the Amazon marketplace. For the last 5 years, I've been working with iGen Entrepreneur, who provide a range of services for Amazon sellers, range from coaching, provision of virtual assistants, and more recently, logistics support. So we can help you move stock in and out of Europe and provide you context for European suppliers. But maybe we'll cover that in another video.
Fantastic. I appreciate it. Well, Eamon, I just want to say thank you so much. And if anyone obviously is interested, do have a look at the top 100 list down below. Obviously, that's really useful. And the whole point here is there's a lot of options for wholesalers to get access to. And for you, you've got to do the work, speak to them. But these top 5 that we've got now, they're going to really help you out. And then the top 100 is just going to really expand upon that. So do check that out. And Eamon, I just want to say for myself and everyone watching, thank you so much for sharing. I really appreciate it. And obviously, make sure you give us a thumbs up, a like, and obviously hit the subscribe button as well. Eamon, thank you so much.
Thomas, thank you very much for having me. Appreciate it.